Understanding the Golden Rule. A Guide to English Phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and important phrase, the Golden Rule. This phrase is widely used and has a significant meaning in both everyday life and moral discussions. So, let's dive in and understand what the Golden Rule truly means and how you can use it in your conversations. The Golden Rule is a principle that has been valued across various cultures and religions for centuries. It simply states, "Do unto others as you would have them do unto you." This means you should treat others in the way you would like to be treated. It's a universal moral rule that encourages empathy, respect, and kindness towards others. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday language. For instance, if someone is being mean to another person, you might hear, "Remember the Golden Rule." This is a reminder to be kind and considerate. The Golden Rule can also be referenced in discussions about fairness and ethics, like in business or personal relationships. Interestingly, the Golden Rule isn't just an English concept. It's a universal principle found in many cultures and religions around the world, with similar versions in Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, and Hinduism, among others. This shows the universal appeal and importance of the concept of treating others well. Incorporating the Golden Rule into your English speaking and writing can show a level of moral understanding and empathy. You can use it to express your thoughts on fairness, kindness, and ethical behavior. For example, in a conversation about treating people fairly, you might say, "I always try to follow the Golden Rule in my interactions." So, that's our journey through understanding the Golden Rule. Remember, this phrase is all about empathy, kindness, and treating others as you'd like to be treated. We hope this video helps you in your English learning journey and also in embracing a universal moral principle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice the Golden Rule in your daily life.